Welcome to the Great Garden channel. This is where we share effective and safe methods for growing and caring for plants, helping your garden grow sustainably and bloom all year round. Today, I will guide you on how to make a natural fertilizer using simple, easy-to-find ingredients that you likely already have at home. After a short period of application, you will easily notice clear changes. Roots. Many new roots form, with plump, healthy green tips that anchor more firmly to the growing medium. Orchid leaves. They become darker green, thicker and glossier, with firm, healthy leaves and a significant reduction in wrinkling or dullness. Flower spikes and buds. They grow vigorously, with large, evenly developed buds and strong, upright spikes. Signs that the plant is thriving and ready for a beautiful blooming season. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Let's get started. To make this fertilizer, I use eggshells. Eggshells are rich in calcium, along with small amounts of magnesium, phosphorus, and trace minerals, which help strengthen the roots, reduce root rot, and improve the firmness of the leaves and stems. First, I put the eggshells into a mortar and grind them thoroughly until they become small pieces or a fine powder. Crushing the eggshells increases the surface area, allowing the calcium and minerals in the shells to dissolve more easily and be better absorbed by the plants, thereby supporting healthy roots, firmer leaves, and more sustainable growth. Next, I put all the crushed eggshells into a clean glass cup. After that, I use banana peels as an ingredient to mix with the eggshells. Banana peels are rich in potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, and trace minerals, which help promote healthy root development and enhance the plant's metabolism. First, I use scissors to cut the banana peels into small pieces, as shown in the video. This helps increase the surface area, allowing the nutrients in the banana peels to be released into the water more easily, making the extraction process faster and more effective, and helping the plants absorb nutrients better. After that, add 500 milliliters of hot water to extract the nutrients. At this step, stir well so the ingredients dissolve and release their nutrients into the water, creating a uniform solution that is ready for the next steps. Finally, let the mixture steep for about 1 hour. This soaking process allows the nutrients in the banana peels and eggshells to be fully released into the water, creating a solution rich in vitamins and minerals. At the same time, I use oats as the next ingredient. Oats are rich in complex carbohydrates, soluble fiber, beta-glucan, B vitamins, especially B1 and B5, as well as essential minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, iron, and zinc. I add 2 tablespoons of oats into a clean glass cup. Next, add 500 milliliters of hot water to soak the mixture. After that, stir well so the solution blends evenly, allowing the nutrients to disperse uniformly and be absorbed more effectively by the plants. Finally, cover the container and let the solution steep for 1 hour. After 1 hour of steeping, I strain out all the residue from the eggshells and banana peels, keeping only the nutrient-rich liquid. This liquid is the plant nutrient solution, rich in minerals, vitamins, and natural compounds derived from the banana peels and eggshells. At the same time, I strain out the oat residue. Here, I filter it together with the banana peel and eggshell solution. Finally, add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. Now, the organic solution is ready to use. Let's apply it to the plants in the garden to help them grow healthier and stronger. Method 1. First, pour the diluted eggshell banana peel oat solution into a dedicated watering container. Then gently and evenly water around the base of the orchids so the solution slowly soaks into the growing medium and comes into direct contact with the roots. Oats help supplement vitamins and minerals, stimulating the healthy growth of new roots. Eggshells provide calcium to strengthen roots, reduce root rot, and make leaves thicker and firmer. Banana peels are rich in potassium and phosphorus, supporting overall growth, boosting resistance, and promoting the formation of flower buds. You should apply this once a week. When the plants are stable and growing well, you can reduce it to once or twice a month to maintain a balanced nutrient supply and support sustainable orchid growth. Method 2. Gently pour the eggshell banana peel oat solution into a small cup. Then use a soft cloth or a cotton pad to lightly soak up the solution and carefully wipe each surface of the orchid leaves. This solution helps remove dust and residue from the leaves while supplying vitamins, minerals, and enzymes from oats, calcium from eggshells to make the leaves thicker and firmer, and potassium and trace minerals from banana peels to keep the leaves deep green, glossy, and to enhance photosynthesis. When wiping, make sure to clean both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves so the nutrients can be absorbed more effectively. Doing this 1 to 2 times a week will keep the leaves clean and healthy, helping the plant grow steadily and full of vitality. Method 3. Pour the diluted eggshell banana peel oat solution into a dedicated spray bottle. Then gently and evenly mist the entire plant, including the leaves, stems, roots, and leaf axils. Misting allows the natural nutrients from oats, rich in vitamins, minerals, and enzymes, combined with calcium from eggshells and potassium and trace minerals from banana peels to be evenly absorbed across the entire plant. You should spray once a week during the first month, then reduce it to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes so the leaves and roots can absorb the nutrients. If any water remains on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth or clean cotton to prevent creating conditions that favor fungal growth. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Once the leaves are completely dry, the plant will be better protected, reducing the risk of leaf rot and crown rot, while maintaining a healthy condition with thick, glossy green leaves full of vitality. Results after 2 months. The changes are very clear and easy to observe. Many new roots have continuously formed, with plump, glossy green root tips, showing that the plant is effectively absorbing nutrients from the eggshells, banana peels, and oats, and is recovering strongly. A healthy root system is the essential foundation for orchids to grow steadily and sustainably in the seasons ahead. The orchid leaves gradually turn a deeper green, becoming glossier and thicker. When touched, they feel firm with good elasticity, clear signs that the plant is in a vigorous growth stage. New shoots emerging from the base develop evenly, strongly, and full of vitality. In some pots, new flower spikes have begun to appear and grow noticeably taller, proving that the plants are stable and ready to enter a vibrant blooming season. Each flower that blooms not only showcases natural beauty, but is also a well-deserved reward for your patience and love for your garden. This gentle care method, using eggshells, banana peels, and oats, not only helps orchids thrive, but also brings positive changes to the entire garden. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss more simple yet effective plant care tips in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video on the Great Garden channel.